So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language on DoorDash. So first of all, swipe on over to your app store, download the app. After that, you can open up the DoorDash app. You can see some offers on the homepage. Go to me. You can see orders, try Dash Pass, and try to look in settings for your preference on here. But if you can't find it there, let's go back to the homepage and exit the app itself and open up your settings. You can see the apps underneath, so open that. You can see here the D section and it says DoorDash, open that as well. And you can see allow DoorDash to access, allow tracking, and the preferred language page. Click on the preferred language and you can see some other options available like Canadian French and Spanish. So let's change it to Spanish and see if it changed in the app. So if I open the app right now, it's going to restart and it's going to give us a different presentation. So you can see instead of some words in English and offers in English on the homepage, it's not longer called home, it's called the Spanish word. So you can see everything right now is Spanish. And if I want to switch it back, let's go to the settings again and click the English version and exit the settings altogether and check on the changes in the app. So you can see again it's restarting and it's gonna look again like it did before. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.